Oh my God. Oh my God. Holy crud. And that thing was huge. Surfer fights off shark during competition. I was swinging and screaming. Yeah, people think, oh my God, it's the ocean. Sharks don't come close to shore. They come like 3 feet from the shore. I remember this one time I was at Naples with my parents, and my dad and I were just standing on the shoreline, and he had his back to the water. And this wave comes crashing close to the shore. And in the wave, there's this huge shark just hanging out. It gets folded up in the wave. I couldn't believe it. I go to my dad, there's a huge shark behind you. We were standing in an inch of water. He's like, really? I go, yeah, don't go in right now. Let's watch this. Let's watch this one and see. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, boom. Yeah. Yeah. That's reality. Swim, dude.
I felt like I was just about to start moving and get going, like just start paddling again, and then all of a sudden I don't know, I just had this instinct that someone was behind me, and then all of a sudden I felt it started getting pulled underwater, and then the thing came up, and I was on my board, and it was like right there. I saw the whole thing just thrashing around, but I was getting dragged under by my leg rope. Like it kicked me off, but then it was still there going, and I was still attached to my board, and I felt like I punched it a couple of times, and then it was dragging me. I felt like it was just dragging me underwater, and then all of a sudden my leg rope broke, and I was like, all right, just start swimming. I was swimming and screaming.
Yeah, dude, get the F out of there. Holy shit.
Mate, I'm happy to not even compete ever again. Like, seriously, like to walk away from that, I'm just so stoked. And, oh, man.
Yeah, look at that. Oh my goodness gracious. I remember in Captiva, I would swim at night. Yeah, this is just not smart. And the sharks, you could go way out and it would only be like a foot, 2 feet of water. And the sharks would spawn there. And I'd swim right through there. I could feel the sharks brushing up against my body as I glided by. What was I doing? Many times I swam in the middle of the ocean. Like, it's just huge sharks. It's nuts, right? It's nuts. Huge sharks. Look at this whale. Ooh. Yeah, man. Nature is something else. Nature is something else. Oh, look, she's got a pet alligator who likes to cut off. Good for you. Good for you. Oh my gosh. What is this? Giant spider surprises scientists. That is a big spider. Octopus. Yeah. People don't realize inside the octopus, you lift those arms away. It has a beak. It has a giant beak like a bird. Look it up. You'd be like, what the heck is that? Yeah, it'll crush your bones with its beak. Nature's crazy. I mean, they eat all kinds of stuff. Aww. A little pit bull. Look at this cute little, oh my gosh. Little kitten, and is Squirrel Buddy. Look at that image. That's hysterical. Those are cool shirts. What else we got here? Look at this giant orca. Giant whale approaches unsuspected paddleboarder. Jeez. Sometimes you gotta be careful of snakes too. Sometimes there's gonna be an alligator in the ocean. Yes, they find them in the ocean too. I've been looking at guitars lately. They got good cheap guitars for under $200. You can order them on Amazon. I'm like, wow. 12-year-old swings python like a hammer thrower to save pet guinea pig. Oh my gosh. That's all right. Let's watch. Let's watch this. Look at. All right. Let's see. Oh, she's got the guinea pig is in the python's mouth. And it won't let go. It won't let go. Oh my gosh, that girl is brave. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Juvenile python. In your backyard. They kill their prey by squeezing their bodies. Jeez. That was scary. Oh my gosh. That brave, brave girl. Look, there he is. She's got him. He's okay. Thanks to her. She just acted. She just reacted. That was awesome. Look at this guy. Rescued a baby dolphin. All right, good for you, buddy. Oh my God, that's muscles. Billionaires in Monaco. Nice for you. Nice for you. What's going on here? These crocodiles are having a big fight. Crocodile and alligator in the Everglades National Park. Little territory. There is a difference between alligators and crocodiles. I could see it in their snouts. Look at these people stuck on this roller coaster. Okay, we're going to watch this. This is why I used to go on roller coasters just for the challenge of it, but...
Yes, sir.
Yeah, they're stuck there. Texas malfunctioned while riders were 100 feet in the air. Stuck for hours. And they got to get these people off of here. Oh. Let's skip ahead. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh.
There she is. That just saw her feet come out of the car.
I can feel it in my body. Like, I feel like I'm hanging there, or they're lifting me into that crane. They're upside down, hundreds of feet in the air. And they got to make that transition from one of these seats into here. Would you ever go on a roller coaster again? I would never go on a roller coaster again. I'm looking at this and I'm not ever going to go on a roller coaster again. Look at that. Let's skip to the end, see if anything else happens. And their blood is rushing to their heads and they're getting all sweaty in those seats and they're baking in the sun. That's where it stopped, right there. What if it stopped on the way down here? It just, all of a sudden the brakes went on full force. I wonder if people would get ejected. Holy cow. I'm scared of roller coasters. I used to go on the loops and all that stuff. I just like the challenge of it. I'm scared to death of this. Let me do it. That kind of thing. And I don't really enjoy it while I'm on them. I'm like, I'm glad when it's over. I guess I have FOMO. I don't want to miss out. Try it. But I've done it. I don't ever want to. I've swim with the sharks. I don't want to do that anymore. I went on roller coasters. Now, how about that one where it was just this dead drop and some kid got both his feet cut off? Yeah, this stuff happens. They haven't perfected any of this and the safety. I like gentle rides, like the log flume. I like water slides. I like water slides a lot. That's a lot of fun. You feel really free. What's this? My horse brought home an injured eagle. That can't be real. That looks like AI. Karen videos. Okay. Nah, I don't want to see women behaving badly. I don't know about that. It's not so much fun. Look at this thing. It looks like an anteater. 10-day-old tapir calf gets the zoomies. Pretty. Oh my God! Look at her. Did you guys see this? Fake muscles. Oh my God! Look at that tattoo. Whoa. That's a lot of weight. She is super strong, but oh my God. Oh my God. Oh yeah, I love bread. Okay. I've seen this before and you got to check it out. Stick with this one. Okay. Oh man, that drum set is awesome. I suggest trying to find this in better quality because their outfits are awesome. I mean, the electronic drum set is so cool. And they went out visually and they had some dance moves. I mean, check this out. Check it out. It's blurry, but check it out. I would definitely check them out. Like 15, 20 bucks a ticket. I'd go. These guys are awesome. Cool paint job. Look at these three guys. Okay. Is this what's going on in the gym? Jeez, this is crazy. Look at that cool rock. Komodo dragon gets shocked by electric eel. Let's watch this. He's gonna eat it, right? This looks like AI. Right, like something's telling me there is some dude there with his iPhone on a family vacation videoing this with the Komodo dragon coming towards him. Right? This should tip you off. Yeah, a little electricity. Maybe. I'm not sure I trust that one. It looks like AI. What else we got in here? Look at all these cats. Who needs a therapist when you have therapists, whatever that is? Well, look at this guy. You guys can't see my full screen. I don't know why. Look at this giant pumpkin. I love that. Look at this bird. Okay. That's just some fun stuff. Look at these cute birds. Oh my gosh. Look at Liberace. A lot of you probably don't even know who Liberace is. He was this crazy piano player who had lots of big rings and kind of Vegas style. He'd wear huge fur coats and stuff. Wow. I like Scottish folds. They're little cats with their ears fold forward like this. Giant bass. I grew up bass fishing. That's a lot of fun. But we'll talk about that in another video. Look at this poor guy. It looks like a bat. Yeah, it's a bat. And they like bananas. Look at his face. Aww. He gets to have some banana. Bats are so cool. In Florida here, you see them coming out every night, and they eat an incredible, like, pounds of bugs every night and mosquitoes. They're super good for the environment. Anyways, just a little bit of scroll. Look at these, look at his ears. What a cute dog. Oh my gosh. What a face. Oh my gosh, is that real? No, robotic spy puppy meets wild dogs. Okay. Yeah, it looked too weird. That's pretty cool though. All right, everybody, just hanging out. So glad you could come hang out with me. Subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Woo!